Guys, today I will teach you how to hide and unhide file and folder using command prompt on Windows 10 by Georgius PH. How to hide file and folder on Windows 10. Step 1. First, create a file and folder anywhere on the directory you want. I will locate my directory and I will create a folder and file here. Click new folder. Name the folder. New folder has been created. We will create a file, a text file. And save it. Inside the folder that we created earlier. Okay, close the notepad. Then we go to the second step. Step 2, press window icon plus R on your keyboard. Step 3, type CMD and press enter. This is our command prompt window. Step 4, type the following command below to hide the following file and folder and press enter as shown in figure 1. So this is our command line for changing directory. We go to our command prompt window, type the following command. Computer name, under documents, temp folder. Oops. We try another. CD users. Okay, we are already inside our temp folder. Now we proceed to step 5. Type the following command below to hide a file or folder and press enter as shown in figure 2. So this is the attribute, the hide attribute, important files. So we go to our command prompt, type the attribute, the hide attribute. We will enclose it using double quote. If your file or folder has space between it, okay, and press enter. Now we will verify if the folder we created earlier was hidden. So there is no folder here, it means it is already hidden. Now we close the command prompt window. We proceed to another chapter to unhide. Now we repeat the following steps. First step, how to unhide file and folder on Windows 10. Step 1, press window icon plus R on your keyboard. Step 2, type the CMD and press enter. This is the command prompt window. Step 3. Type the following command below to hide the following file and folder and press enter as shown in figure 3. So this is the command line for changing the directory. So we go to the command prompt window, cd c users, computer name, documents, then temp folder, and press enter. Now we are already in our folder, in our directory. Okay. Step 4. Type the following command below to unhide a file or folder and press enter as shown in figure 4. Attribute the unhide attribute. Okay, we go to our command prompt window. Attrib minus or a hyphen h, we close it. Folder name, so, and press enter. So we verify if the folder we created was unhide. Okay, it is successful. Guys, if you like my videos and wish to receive videos from me, please comment below and turn on your notifications. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.